Hello, lovelies. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Becky P. Ngozi, and if this is your first time on this channel, you're highly welcome. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I dress my family for a very special event. How I dress my husband and my two kids to this special event. Alright, so please stay tuned and then watch till the end of the video. Okay, please watch to the end of the video. This is part 1 of the video. I'm going to upload the part 2 very soon. Okay, so in part 2 I'll be showing you guys how we left the house to the occasion and after the occasion. Okay, so please keep watching, like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. So let me introduce myself. Like I said earlier, my name is Becky P. Ngozi. I'm a Nigerian living in Lome, Togo. I am from Enugu State, in Soka to be precise. I am a mom of 2 kids, a wife. I'm also a digital marketer, Facebook advertiser. I'm also a publisher. I publish books on Amazon platform and Kobo Writing Life. I'm also a fashion designer and a hairstylist. So if you are interested in any of these my services, feel free to write down on the comment section. All right, so I can give you guidance on how to go about it. I'll be telling you guys what this channel is all about. This channel is going to be a vlog and a hairstyle tutorial. It's going to be more of hairstyle tutorial because that was the purpose I created this channel, but I just feel like I should also introduce like a vlog, to, like, from time to time I'll be showing you guys the challenges I face living here in Togo as a Nigerian who cannot speak French and cannot speak their local language. It's really a challenge. All right, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys those stuffs, okay, from time to time, but it's going to be more of a hairstyle tutorial because I make my baby's hair every week. So I'm going to try my best to upload videos every week over here. All right, and as time goes on, I will also introduce some beautiful kids on this channel, some kids that I will be making their hair, so I will introduce them to this channel as well. So like I said earlier, I'm going to dress my family for this special event. Okay, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, please, and please, I'm begging you, please support my channel. Okay, and subscribe, like this video, and share to family and friends. Okay, thanks, and continue watching. All right, enjoy the video. I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me that I'm alone? Please do, would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Take time, love says so how when you hit that shit, and you want that kid, you bring this back, you don't wanna get it. Don't worry about this, don't die, things you wish. And there you go. Wow, look at my baby girl. Omali Chanwa. The Northerners will say Kekawa Yarinya. And the French people will say Jolie Bebe. What do you guys think about my dress? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this dress, okay? Always wanted more. Can you hear me? Holding me. Love wasn't meant to be. Love wasn't meant to be an enemy. Take all my energy. Take all my energy. Do you? So my son was just angry that morning. He wanted candy and the daddy said he cannot have it that morning. So he was just angry. And this when my sweet sister-in-law called us with her daughter. They called us in the morning and we were talking. Uh, my son refused to talk to her. Refused to talk to her. So she was telling her baby girl, she said, wow, look at my baby girl, African queen, that her hairstyle is good. And she was also praising me that, oh, I tried, I sew for everyone, the dress are nice. So yeah, my husband was telling her that our ride has arrived because we have already booked for Gozen. Gozen is Uber. Here in Togo, they call it Gozen. So we have already booked for Gozen and it's here already. So yeah, look at my baby girl. Look at that. You guys, please let me know what you think about her dress and her hair. I'm going to upload the video tutorial of this her hairstyle on this channel. So please, you guys, stay tuned to this channel, okay? Please and please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching and bye.